Hey, what's up everyone? I just bought me a big ass printer, starting a business. It's going to be a canvas printing business, so your family portraits, any kind of portraits on a canvas. My wife she wanted to buy a backdrop, and I was like, why don't you just create your own? And she's like, research on how to do that, and I'll create my own and we'll start selling it. I started researching it. It fell onto canvas portrait printing. Started going down the rabbit hole of researching that. Saw the cost of what it will take to buy a printer. I had already started an LLC a couple months ago. I was trying to buy a business locally. That didn't go through. And so I just been looking, trying to figure out a way. I was already sitting on some capital with the LLC I had set up a business bank account, got some credit cards with 0 interest for the next 12 months. And so I was like, hey, why not do this? The margins of canvases are pretty good. And so I bought it. This all happened within the last 5 days. And this arrived yesterday. I haven't actually opened it up. I wanted to document the whole process. So here I am unboxing it. There's already some unboxing videos out there, but I'll go through and show what I can. Okay, so the audio is very staticky, and I'm just gonna voice over this. So we're inside the house now, and I'm gonna set up the stand. You see me showing that the leg here shows the correct side, and I'm just going through taking off the cardboard from the leg stand. Takes me a while to get through this part. I eventually have to get the user manual because I couldn't get the frame put together. So I eventually get it together. Alright, so it requires 2 bolts to be screwed in here. Just gotta hand tighten this first. And then we grab the other ones. And do this side. Alright, now we have a frame. You can... Okay, so I finished setting up the printer. It went through the printing process. I didn't record that part. There was just a lot going on. This has been a few days later already before I did all that. I was trying to find the right time to do it, but as I waited, time didn't present itself, so I just went ahead and set it up and was able to do the test print. When I did the test print, I ran into an error code, but the error said to just reboot it, and so I did, and luckily the error went away, and I was able to get the issue resolved. I was able to just go through with the test print. And then here you can see I'm just showing the colors out there is printed. And then at the end, my wife had a picture she wanted to print of us, so I went ahead and printed that out too. You can see here, she's taking a look at the picture, which came out really nice. You know, there's a top border section because it's apparently now as a 22-inch wide, and so I'll just have to cut that off once I set up the canvas. Yeah, so enjoy the rest of the video, and if you enjoy this, see you next time.